Pleasant good evening, everyone. This is Ken McNabb with the MOV Weather and a special severe weather discussion for Thursday, March 26th and Friday, March 27th, 2026. The time of recording is 10:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on March 25th, 2026. The Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk for most of the region for severe weather from Thursday at 8 a.m. to Friday at 8 a.m., but the very northern part of the region is under a level 2 slight risk, and the very southern part of the region is under a 0 general risk. In terms of what we may expect, there is, at the highest level here, a 15% probability that there will be a severe wind event within 25 miles that will be below 74 miles per hour but above 58 miles per hour. In the same zone here, there's a 15% chance that there will be a large hail event of 1 to 2 inches of diameter. And then again, for this zone, the yellow zone, and the top portion of the green zone, there's a 2% chance of a tornado within 25 miles that could be up to EF2 strength. Now, keep in mind that, again, most of the region is under the marginal risk, and the marginal risk reduces the wind and hail from 15% to 5%. Those in the light green, the probability of a damaging wind or large hail event is less than 5%, and the chance of a tornado is less than 2%. So again, when the tornado risk is 2%, it would only take one tornado in the entire region to validate that forecast. Turning now to the models. Maybe. Yes, there we go. Turning to the models, I have the NAM 3K up at 9 p.m. tomorrow. So this has slid back in timing a little bit. So as we look at it, we can see a very solid line of showers and storms to the north of I-70. Here's 10 o'clock. It starts falling apart, but it's approaching the northern reaches of the coverage area at that point. There's 11 o'clock. It's a little more scattered at that point, and it's surrounding the coverage area. It's just getting to the northern parts of it. Here's Morgan County, where there's the higher risk right now. I'm going to take a look at the sounding here. Marginal severe. So again, there could be an isolated wind event of more than 58 miles per hour, or a large hail event of 1 to 2 inches of diameter, and maybe an isolated tornado, but that is a very low risk. As we continue through the night, midnight, 1, 2. Notice how this falls apart. 3, 4, 5. Then another wave of rain comes through, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6, 7, 8. Through the morning, the rain just sticks around for a bit. Then the showers become a little more scattered through the day, but they stick around for a good part of the day. That's 5 p.m. tomorrow. And the front's only south of 64 and the east-west portion of I-79. So not much progress at all, considering that's about 18 hours. The front finally pushes out by 11 o'clock Friday night. And yeah, that is a little bit of snow on there. I think that might be overdone. Looking at the HRRR model now, 9 o'clock tomorrow night. This looks a little weaker in a lot of spots. The strongest stuff appears to be northwest of Columbus and northeast of Zanesville toward the Pittsburgh area. And if I take a sample of that, that's in Ohio at 9 o'clock, there's a marginal tornado risk there. So we still do have to watch that as this goes from 10, 11. Now notice a stronger portion of the line is coming down from the northwest. 12, 1, 2. And it really hesitates to come through. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in the morning. It's still not completely through the coverage area yet. 9, 10, 11, 12, it just sort of fades away. But then with the heating of the day, even though there's not going to be much heat on Friday, this is 1 p.m. Friday, some more showers start to form and move through the region. And we get to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock on Friday. Here's a little area of snow showers and a few more rain showers. Can I completely rule out some snow tomorrow evening? No. And I'll watch that as well because, the last time this happened, there was backfill and 4 to 7 inches of snow. Do I think that's going to happen here? No. But just the potential of a little bit of snowfall, I cannot rule out Friday evening into Saturday morning before things clear out for a beautiful weekend. And I also want to mention real quick that the Weather Prediction Center, and I want to bring this up too, the Weather Prediction Center does have most of the coverage area under there we go. Under a marginal risk of flash flooding from 8 a.m. Thursday to 8 a.m. Friday. So as that rain's coming through tomorrow night, there could be some flash flooding. That's the other concern I am monitoring while the front is moving through. As for day 3, that's 8 a.m. Friday, 8 a.m. Saturday, no. So the initial wave, as it comes through, the showers and storms on there are going to be a little more powerful. Even if the storms aren't, the showers will be. Heavy downpours likely. Heavy and downpour are basically similar terms, so I try to avoid using that term, but every once in a while it comes out of me. But downpours, possible. Moderate to heavy rain areas. Flash flooding possible. So basically this is most of the coverage area north of Route 33 in West Virginia and then west of I-77. So a vast majority of the area has a 5 to 14.9% chance of a flash flooding event within 25 miles. Low risk, but not no risk. So remember to turn around, don't drown if you encounter high water. And as for the severe weather, make sure that you are taking every precaution you can, and it will be okay. So for now, this is Ken McNatt thanking you for joining me for this severe weather discussion. I wish you a great evening. Please remain weather aware, and I'll have an update in the morning. Good night, everybody.